Hi, guys. It's Mrs. King. It's Monday, January 25th, and we're going to be exploring some different topics with our phonics and our grammar for this week. And today I'm going to start by explaining a grammar rule that many of us, we know how to use these words. We use them all the time in our speech, in our conversation, in our writing. And we see them a lot in our reading, but we don't always call them by this particular name. We're going to talk today about what are articles. Now, I'm not talking about an article that you might read in a newspaper or a magazine. Those are a little bit different, but in grammar, there are certain words in our language that are what we call articles, and there are 3 of them. And we're only going to focus on 2 of them today. And then in a week or so, we'll add in the 3rd one. So today, we're going to focus on the articles a and the word the. Okay? Those are 2 of the 3 articles, a and the. Pretty easy, right? Well, when do you use those 2 words? You use them all the time. You just don't think about it. How do I know when to use the word a? And how do I know maybe when I need the word the? Well, there's a couple of different rules and things to go by. So when we use the word a, come down here, and I'll return down just a couple, and we'll come up with a couple sentences where we'll use both words. Okay, when I use the word a, first of all, I'm thinking about something that's more general. Like if I said, I like a big glass of water. Something like that. I'm just talking about something general, not a specific item, something that I might just be making a general statement about. Okay, there's our article they. Okay, another example would be something like something that you might have bought at a store. So for example, if I were to say, or get it to return, there we go. I bought a computer. Okay, so any computer, I bought a computer, just kind of a general word. But when do we use the word the? I'm going to scroll down a couple of sentences. The means I'm talking about something more specific. For example, if I said, I'm going to ask a question. Can you give me the books on the table? Okay. Can you give me the books? Well, I'm talking about specific books, the books that are on the table. Okay. Not a book, but I'm talking about the books on the table. So the is more specific when we're referring to a specific item or group of items. Okay. Another example using the word the might be something like if I wanted to talk about, again, anything specific, I wore the red dress to the dance. Okay. Which red dress? The red dress, the one I have or the one that's in my closet. Okay. It's specific. We're talking about a specific item. So today you're going to, for your guided practice for grammar, you're going to go to IXL and you're going to find lesson in language arts, lesson M1, and practice a little bit finding the articles and when to use the right article, the certain article that you need for the sentence.